In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the window title bar double click action on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select Desktop and Dock. And then on the right side where it says Window Title Bar Double Click Action, click inside of here and you can select either Fill, zoom in, minimize, or no action for that. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.